Unveil the construction tech hacks that you definitely don't want to miss out on here at MechMinds Hub. Let's jump right in. Bubble deck technology is a groundbreaking construction technique that involves the use of air-filled plastic balls in concrete slabs. This method replaces a portion of the concrete, thereby reducing the weight and amount of materials used. The plastic balls, or void formers, are strategically placed within the slab, maintaining its structural integrity while significantly reducing its weight. This technology offers numerous benefits. It results in a lighter slab, reducing the load on the building's foundation and overall structural demand. It also leads to substantial material savings, which translates into cost effectiveness and a lower environmental impact. The reduced weight and material usage also mean faster construction times due to quicker concrete curing. The energy-generating tiles are a remarkable innovation in the field of sustainable energy. These tiles have the ability to convert the kinetic energy generated from footsteps into electricity. This is achieved through the principle of piezoelectricity, where pressure or mechanical stress on certain materials generates an electric charge. The tiles contain piezoelectric materials that respond to the force of a footstep. When someone steps on the tile, the pressure exerted causes the material to deform, generating a small electric charge. This electricity can then be stored and used to power lights, charge devices, or contribute to the building's overall power supply. Phase change materials, or PCMs, are substances with a high heat of fusion. They are capable of storing and releasing large amounts of energy in the form of heat, making them highly effective for improving building insulation. When a PCM transitions from one state to another, such as from solid to liquid, it absorbs or releases energy in the form of latent heat. In a context of building insulation, PCMs can absorb excess heat during the day, keeping the interior of the building cool. When the temperature drops at night, the stored heat is gradually released, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. This reduces the need for traditional heating and cooling systems, leading to significant energy savings. Cool roofs are a sustainable roofing solution designed to reflect more sunlight and absorb less heat than traditional roofs. They are typically coated with a specialized reflective paint, sheet covering, or highly reflective tiles or shingles. By reflecting more sunlight, these roofs stay cooler and reduce the amount of heat transferred to the building below. This technology significantly reduces energy costs by decreasing the need for air conditioning during hot weather. The reduced heat absorption leads to a cooler interior, providing a more comfortable living or working environment. Transparent solar panels are a groundbreaking innovation in the field of sustainable energy. They are designed to function as regular windows, while also harnessing the power of the sun to generate electricity. This dual functionality makes them an incredibly efficient and eco-friendly solution for modern buildings. The technology behind these panels allows them to absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity, all while maintaining transparency. This means that they can be installed in place of traditional windows, providing natural light and a view of the outside, while also contributing to the building's power supply. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform the way we think about renewable energy, making it a seamless part of our everyday lives. The kinetic footfall energy harvesting is an innovative approach to sustainable energy production. It involves the installation of specialized flooring systems designed to harness the kinetic energy generated by foot traffic. As people walk, run, or move across these surfaces, their actions exert force on the floor. This force is then converted into electrical energy through a process known as piezoelectricity. The generated electricity can be used immediately or stored for later use. The green construction materials is a significant advancement in the construction industry. This trend involves the use of sustainable and eco-friendly materials in building projects. These materials, often sourced responsibly, have a lower environmental impact compared to traditional construction materials. They can include recycled steel, bamboo, cork, and even recycled plastic. The use of these materials not only reduces the carbon footprint of construction projects, but also improves the energy efficiency of the buildings. Furthermore, they can enhance indoor air quality and even reduce waste during the construction process. Thermal bridging is a crucial design technique in the field of architecture and construction that aims to reduce heat loss in buildings. It refers to the areas in a building's thermal envelope that have higher heat transfer than the surrounding materials. These bridges allow heat to escape from the interior to the exterior, leading to energy inefficiency. By addressing these breaches with insulation or thermal breaks, you can significantly reduce this heat loss. Transparent aluminum, once a concept of science fiction, has now become a reality. This material is a ceramic-based alloy that marries the strength of aluminum with a degree of transparency. While it doesn't achieve the full transparency of glass, its durability is significantly superior. This unique combination of properties opens up a wide range of applications. For instance, it can be used in the production of bulletproof windows, providing a clear view while ensuring safety. It can also be used to create protective enclosures for sensitive equipment. Aerogel insulation, often referred to as a thermal blanket for buildings, is a revolutionary product that is transforming the construction industry. Composed of 98% air, aerogels are ultralight materials that boast exceptional insulating properties. Their low thermal conductivity makes them an ideal choice for energy-efficient construction. Despite their lightness, they are robust and durable, capable of withstanding harsh environmental conditions. Their use in construction significantly improves energy efficiency without adding unnecessary bulk, making them a preferred choice for modern, sustainable building designs. Prefabrication or prefab construction is a modern approach to building that involves the off-site manufacturing of building components such as walls, floors, and roofs. These components are then transported to the construction site for assembly, streamlining the construction process and significantly reducing waste. Prefab construction ensures consistent quality as the components are produced in a controlled environment, eliminating many of the variables that can affect on-site construction. Furthermore, prefab buildings can be erected much quicker than traditional buildings, saving time and reducing labor costs. Biophilic design is an innovative approach to architecture that seeks to connect building occupants more closely to nature. It integrates natural elements such as living walls, indoor plants, natural light, and water features into the built environment. The presence of these elements not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of buildings, but also contributes significantly to the well-being of the occupants. The passive design is a sustainable architectural concept that focuses on harnessing natural resources like sunlight, wind, and shade to regulate indoor temperatures. It involves strategic building orientation, effective insulation, and well-planned ventilation to maintain a comfortable indoor climate, reducing the need for active heating or cooling systems. By doing so, passive design significantly enhances the energy efficiency of buildings, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced carbon footprint. It also contributes to a healthier and more comfortable living environment for occupants. What do you think about these construction tech hacks? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe to MechMinds Hub channel. Thank you for watching.